Hello guys, good day. My name is Ademola from Astra Creatives and welcome to this tutorial. Now this section guys, I'm going to be teaching you how to activate your Astra theme and your Astra Premium Templates. Okay, first and foremost, let's clean up our dashboard. So I'm going to come to our screen options here. Then I'm going to select at a glance, activity, quick draft, this and this. I will leave my site health status there and I close this. And the next thing is for us to activate the theme. So I'll come to appearance. I've already uploaded the themes by add new options. Okay, let me just quickly show you add new and upload theme. Okay, that's how I uploaded the theme in which I want to use. So let's go back and select this particular theme, Astra. You can see it has an update, but I just want to use the one I uploaded. So click on activate. Now our theme is fully activated. Now we need to activate the plugins in which we need, which are already uploaded also. Now click on plugins. It will show you all installed plugins. You can see we have the Astra Pro already, the Elementor Pro, which I already just uploaded, and our Premium Starter Templates. Okay, so also we have ultimate add-ons for Elementor. It's very important for you to have this on your website also. So I click on 1, 2, 3 and 4. For now I'm not activating the Astra Pro because I don't really need it for now. So I come to activate and click on apply. Now the plugins are already active. It's telling me to activate my copy. For now I don't need to do anything like that for now. If you look at this here, we have active license, we have active license also. So that one is just its own way of telling me that I should update. So the next thing is for us to go to our dashboard back. Good. Now let's get started. This is our Astra theme setup. Let's click on get started. So it will take us to our starter template where we are going to be installing the premium templates we need. Please take note that if you are building your website now with Astra, it will wipe out all the other designs you have so far on the site. So take note of that. So you click on Elementor. Now since we want to use a premium template, let's select let's say this one, for example, the SaaS app company. Select this one. I don't have a logo for now, so I can always add it later. You can see you can upload it later here. Click on skip and continue. Here you can change your color to any one in which you want. Okay, let's see the difference. Let's check down here. You can see there's changes everywhere. So I'm going to use the default one now. You can do the same thing for the text also, but for now I want this video to be very short. So I click on continue. Now it says install required plugin. This one is non-negotiable. You can see you can't uncheck it. So let's click on submit and build my website. You can fill this if you want to, but for now I'm not doing anything like this. So click on this. It shouldn't take us more than 1 to 2 minutes to install this particular website. See if you have all our plugins and our required themes. So you can see import finalizing, and we are good to go. Our premium templates have been installed successfully without any issues. You can see this yourself. This didn't take us up to 5 minutes to do this. So let's click on view our website and see how it looks. So you can see this is the website in which we selected, and we can start by editing and changing everything we need to change on this page to suit our own needs. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. You can also do this for any other kind of templates in which you want, but make sure that you have the required plugins installed also. Sometimes it will install it for you, sometimes you will need to install it by yourself. So always take note of that. Let's request for a demo. Okay, I think we'll go to contact us. And this is our form here to fill our form. It's a very nice website. It's a very nice website. Let's click on features. Wow, it's nice. Now, if you notice, we are having this page ID because we need set our that's permalink. So I want to select the dashboard now. I want to quickly do that before finish up to permalinks. You can see, put it at post name. Then click on save changes. Good. Now let's view our website and see it again. So if I click on features, you can see it is now featured, not post ID anymore. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope the explanation is very easy. Upload the plugins in which I send to you and use them directly, and you will enjoy the premium template. Have a wonderful day. Take care of yourself.